Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go! In the previous week analysis, I have talked about that the price could break above this small trend line, this resistance line, above the previous candle's high, because the price was trying to reach upper levels in the previous week where the supply zone is. But also I have mentioned that the price has two supply zones. The first supply zone is here, where the price stalled in the previous week, and the next one is here, where the confluence of resistance is. So on Monday we see a strong gap that the price has created on the chart, where the price reached a higher level, and also the second supply zone here, where the price reached 1.01959. This is the highest price in the previous week, and then we can see what happened on Tuesday. The strong resistance zone, the confluence zone of resistance, and the supply zone here, where the sellers are pushed the price down back inside this small trend, back inside this small channel, where the price stopped here, which is a small indecision range, which was mentioned in the previous 2 week analysis. We can see also the price reached this level, which was not the highest level I was expecting, because when the price was moving upwards, the price most of the time reached this level here, which was a strong resistance level that prevented the price from moving higher. But we can see that the price reached this level here, which is a supply zone that was mentioned in the previous analysis, where the sellers are waiting, but also the buyers that pushed the price on a higher level has exited here in this area. So we have buyers who exited here and also the sellers who entered here, so that's why we have a strong selling pressure on a Tuesday. A strong bearish candle that pushed the price back inside the small downtrend channel, and the price stopped inside this indecision area, which was mentioned before. But after that we have 3 small candles. These 3 small candles are bullish candles, which indicates that there are here buyers that are preventing the price to move down. But we also have small candles that could not return on higher levels, which was seen at the start of this week. If we take a look on the bottom side, where the lowest level is on these 2 candles, on a Wednesday, on a Thursday, and also then on a Friday, is the lowest part of these candles here, which is also the lowest level of these 2 candles, which was also a small indication. If the price closes the daily candle below this area, it will indicate that the price will move down, like in this false breakout that has happened when the first candle has closed below this area, this candle's low. Then we have seen that the price tried to move more down, but in this case, where we have a false breakout, the price returned back up. But here we can see that the lowest price in this week that the price has reached is this area here, which means that this area, this level, is strong enough where the buyers are, and they will prevent the price to move below. On the upper side, we can see that each 3 candles on each day have closed the day above the previous daily close, so we can see that the price has stopped here near this resistance of the downtrend channel. So we will see what happens in the next week. For the next week we can expect again something as a bullish scenario, because this market overview suggests me that the prices still have a bullish momentum here, which was strong enough here. But there we have also again a strong confluence area here of the supply zone, where the price will have a problem to reach higher levels. The first step for the price is to break above this level here, which was preventing the price to move to higher, and also this was the case in the previous week analysis. When the price has opened up, this was here, the price moved to the higher levels. In this case, I'm also expecting the price will try to break above this resistance line and then to reach again this supply zone around this 1.01368 level. So pay attention that the price is currently again inside this indecision area where the price has stopped, but we have also here a false breakout to the downside which triggered a strong bullish momentum upwards. But we have a strong supply zone that will prevent the price to move higher. So pay attention that the current price, which is in between the supply zone, this resistance area, and between the demand zone, which is support area, is not good to enter at this moment because there is no good risk to reward ratio. Waiting for the best is here around the demand zone and also around this supply zone, but currently how the market looks like is not pretty clear, and we have to pay attention what the market will do around this resistance level and also around this one. If the price returns back down and make a breakout to the downside, pay attention to the false breakout that was happened in the previous week. But if that happens, watch that daily candle closes below and the next daily candle closes again below, not returning back inside this area because it will indicate again a false breakout. This means also for this case, which is also a false breakout to the upside, where we have a bullish candle that has closed above this level, this resistance area, and also above this trend line resistance. We have waited and we needed another candle that will close above, which would confirm this breakout. But the second candle returned back inside, which indicated a false breakout, which means the price could not remain here at this area because the pressure, in this case the selling pressure, was too high, and this small breakout to the upside was a small blitz from the bulls trying to break to the higher levels and continue pushing the price upwards. But let's see what happens next week. What we can see if we change to the currency strength meter, which I'm currently looking, is showing that the euro against the US dollar is stronger, but not too much stronger. So this market overview shows me that we have a strong euro against dollar, which would indicate we could see the price on higher levels next week. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!